I'm about to reveal a brutal truth about entrepreneurship. One that doesn't just kill businesses. It buries ideas, silences dreams, and most don't even realize it's happening. We're often told to start a business, build a website, craft a product, polish a sales page, build a sales funnel, drop a course, run ads, essentially get all your ducks in a row and launch. But here's the harsh reality. None of that matters if no one knows who you truly are. You could have the next big thing, life-changing, game-shifting, but if it's hidden, it dies in silence. Your idea doesn't fail because it wasn't good enough. It failed because no one saw it, much less knew it was coming. Entrepreneurship is often described as an iceberg. The visible success is just the tip. Below the surface lies the grind, failures, sacrifices, and sleepless nights. What's the point of all that work if your iceberg never breaches the surface? If no one sees it, no one engages, an unseen effort might as well be non-existent. Visibility is the lifeline. In today's world, the best product won't save you. Your cleanest website won't matter. If you're invisible, you're irrelevant. This is the attention economy. Eyeballs are the next currency. If you're not being seen, you're not getting paid. So why do the giants still advertise? Visibility is the key to your success. Why do companies like Disney, Apple, McDonald's, and Nike spend 7% of their top-line revenue on marketing? These brands are already household names. So why do they keep advertising? I'll tell you why. Because they understand something most entrepreneurs overlook. Visibility equals profitability. People don't buy what they don't know. Out of sight, out of mind. That rule doesn't just apply to relationships. It rules the market. The myth that kills most ideas. A staggering 40% of entrepreneurs fall for this trap. If I build it, they will come. No, they won't. No one can desire what they don't know exists. Okay, so what is awareness really? Awareness isn't just brand recognition or having your name out there. It's about how people perceive you. Are you seen as credible, luxurious, innovative, trustworthy, forgettable? Maybe. That perception shapes awareness. And without that, your idea fades into the fog like so many before it. Even awareness isn't enough on its own. You need clarity about your story, your mission, your value. Steve Jobs said it best. It's a noisy world, and he wasn't wrong. You have to be intentional about what you want people to know about you, feel about you, remember about you. Without clarity, you just become part of the noise. It's not enough to create something great. You have to get it seen. You have to earn attention. You have to build trust. That's the real engine behind impact. So how does one get seen? By creating your own content, of course. Video in particular is king. It drives 80% of all online traffic. Not only does it build awareness, it builds connection, trust, and reputation. The rule of 7 says people need to see a message at least 7 times before taking action. Daniel Priest-Lee's, if I'm pronouncing his name correct, 7-hour rule. It says your audience needs to spend 7 hours with your brand before they become lifelong fans. Content, make those hours possible. That's why social media is such a game changer. It lets you become your own media company. TV from your phone, broadcast at scale, for free at an incredibly low cost. Every day you can show up, be seen, build trust, and move that needle using your very own content. It has leveled the playing field as far as visibility is concerned. The solo creator, the small brand, the underdog, the little guy, you now have the power to compete with those giants I spoke of earlier. And don't stress yourself over likes or followers. Some of your biggest supporters are silent. They're watching, absorbing, learning, quietly becoming believers. They don't always clap out loud, but they show up when it counts. And if you need a reminder of what's at stake, remember what Les Brown said. The richest place in the world is the graveyard, because there you'll find intentions never made, books never written, ideas never shared, and dreams never pursued. Don't let your ideas die quiet deaths. And don't you dare bury your vision before it even has the chance to be seen. The eulogy. So here it is. The untold truth about entrepreneurship. It's not just about building. It's about being seen. Without visibility, even the boldest ideas fade. Even the strongest dreams die. Even the biggest icebergs sink. But hey, that's just my take, and I would love to hear yours. Let's keep questioning, rethinking, and challenging the narratives that shape our craft, because perspective is everything. If this resonated with you, smash that like, hit subscribe, and stick around, because I think you'll really dig what I've got coming next. But in the meantime, you should check out this next video around here somewhere.